You can run in a hurry, too.
Go ahead.
Come on, man. You got this.
You're there.
It's just a little skunk, man.
He hasn't moved.
Then you come do it.
Your boots are better than mine. No, it's easy. He's just looking at you. He's feeling his
He's
land.
standing up a little bit. All right, he's laying back down. You just got this.
He just readjusted.
He's
Can you see the leg that's in the trap?
Yeah.
Yeah, the trap's stretched out.
Oh, dude, you're there. It's going to take 2 hands, though.
Oh. Yeah, now I can put my face down there.
I'll get the tomato juice out.
I'm gonna drop my gun in the water, but I don't want to give it to you either.
Oh, you were there. You're like 3 feet from
My head up, his head up.
mission accomplished. Just slow and easy. Do they do it all the time?
I think it's my trap.
I think it's my
I think it is, too. Move the trap a little bit with your foot and see what he does first.
No, don't stir him up. Just fucking take him
Okay,
out.
never mind. Continue.
All you have to do is spring the trap forward and pull it out, right? He ain't sprayed him yet. He ain't gonna spray him.
Just do it. Just reach down there and pull the trap. And then run like hell. What are you going to do with a twig?
Maybe he's just catching his balance. He's gonna poke him.
I don't think he can do anything quickly. Where's the cutters? Give him the cutters. You got the cutters?
Yeah.
Here, Nick, cutters.
Oh, he's turning on you.
Fuck, he ain't gonna spray him now. He's like, hell yeah, you the man. I don't think